Good day and welcome to Bite Size. In the words of Bruce Springsteen, you can't start a fire without a spark. And I believe as leaders, you and I are the spark that starts the fire. We are the ignition to get the engine started. And for that, you and I need passion, you and I need hope, and you and I need positivity. Whenever we're in a place where we feel down, get alone, get recharged, and be the spark to start the fire. As leaders, we have a different calling than followers. We need to spread hope. We need to spread passion. And we always need to be positive. May you be the best leader you can be. Remember, you can't start a fire without a spark. Cheers.